Okay, now this is the ABS black plastic. Now make sure when you order this, this is only meant for the GoPro Hero Black 5, 6, and 7. Now the ones that are going for the white and whatever that other color is, I think it was gray, will not fit this. Only the Hero Black. Okay, the Ulanzi ABS GoPro casing. This is for the GoPro Hero Black 5, 6, or 7 only. Made out of ABS plastic, way lighter than the typical aluminum cage. And this is the plastic here is only 50 grams, which is 1.76, right? 1.76 ounces. That is very light. Now, when you compare that to the aluminum cage, wow. Here is the aluminum cage at 4.6 ounces. That is extremely heavy. Alright guys, this is my action hat, okay? Action hat was nice enough to send this to me to try out. I'm liking it already. So I first got my vlogging cage. This is the aluminum vlogging cage for the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Okay, this is great for vlogging. I like it because it has a lot of weight to it. When you put it in a tripod, I don't have to worry about the wind really knocking it down. And if it happens, the metal aluminum will protect the camera, or it's supposed to protect the camera. But what if I want to put that up here, okay? Now we're talking weight. So the weight might be a problem, because if I bend down, this just may fall off. Even though I have a lanyard, attach a lanyard to this, it still may fall. So I ended up getting this. This is the Ulanzi ABS black plastic. Now this is much lighter at 50 grams. 50 grams is 1.76 ounces. Even though this was made to be more portable, you know, for like bicycles and other things where it's going to take a lot of juggling around, and it's not going, the weight's not going to affect it too much. It does have the space over here to put your GoPro mic accessory in, so you can slide it in. The reason why I don't like it, what I do is just fishing. I'm going to be around a lot of surf. It rains and sprinkles a lot. So when you're forced to open the side, use the side doors over here to plug in the adapters for the mic, what's going to happen is that the spray or the rain will get into it, and it's actually going to screw up the insides. You don't want that. So I'm trying to do it with a more mobile system, which means putting it up here. Another one of the main reasons why I went with this, because they have units like this without the cold shoe mount. I need the cold shoe mount because when I go out at night, I need something to attach my external lights. My external light will fit on the cold shoe mount here. So by the time I put my little small little light bar up here, the weight is going to be nowhere near what the aluminum is going to be. So when I bend down at night, I don't have to worry about this falling off, hitting the rocks, dropping in the water. It might still happen, but the weight is going to be so much less that I think this would be better for night use, and I'll use the metal cage for day use when I'm vlogging. Okay, on a final note, I would use the wind reduction mode. Now on the GoPro 5, you do have a mode called the wind reduction mode, and what it does is when you pick that, it will drown out a lot of the wind, the wind around you. And it won't drown it all out. From what I've seen, it's going to be probably more between 50 and 75%, depending on how strong the wind is. It will reduce that. So make sure you just use the wind reduction mode in your settings, and you should be okay. You know, for on-the-scene action shots. Now, if you want something a little bit more detailed, fine. Go ahead, get the GoPro mic. Make sure that you get the right one that's only for GoPro, that slides in here, that you can hook into your GoPro unit. All right, so it's a quick review. I got this basically because it's light, it's easier to use than the metal one. Metal's more for the vlogging, and it has the cold shoe mount. Those are just very small things to look for, but if you're a YouTuber like me, you're out in the field, if it's outdoors like what I do, this is the better choice. Thanks.